Hello, my name is Brad Freeman, Industrial Services Specialist with the Reynolds Company. One of the most common problems that our customers face is the management of obsolete automation infrastructure. This becomes a complex issue as it requires both time-intensive data gathering and collaboration between maintenance, engineering, production, and finance to set priorities and follow through on migration and modernization projects. To help our customers tackle this multifaceted challenge, we offer the Installed Base Evaluation, also known as an IBE. In an IBE, we send a technician to your facility to assess each control panel. Each PLC, drive, HMI, servo, network switch, and I/O is documented by part number, by location, and by condition. Once the on-site data gathering is complete, our data analysis team compiles a series of reports. You will receive a map of the facility, a recommendation of what spares to keep on hand, notation on any potential wiring, environmental, thermal, or arc flash concerns, and most importantly, the report will have the life cycle of each component clearly labeled. In these final reports, the data is clearly organized and easy to access. Over the years, our customers have asked for more assistance in the analysis of these reports and the implementation of a modernization plan. In response, we now offer a follow-up consulting service known as the Asset Optimization Plan. Where the IBE is focused on collecting and organizing information, Asset Optimization is focused on interpreting data and creating an action plan. A reliability engineer moderates a workshop where feedback is gathered from each team in your facility, maintenance, engineering, and production. Each machine is ranked by demand, by utilization, downtime cost, or potential environmental health and safety impacts. And then the skill level of your team to repair it is also accounted for. This qualitative ranking is then cross-referenced with the information gathered in the initial IBE, the life cycle of the components, and the complexity of the control system. This is used to create a risk ranking. At the end of this workshop, you will have insights into the current state of your facility and have a plan on how to address your biggest needs. It is our goal here at the Reynolds Company to be your partner for each step along the way. Thank you for watching this video. If you have further questions, please contact us at reynoldsonline.com.